So I got my first iPad today. I have been wanting one of these, well, pretty much since when they first came out, but never really played any games or did anything of that sort. But I am a traditional artist and have been sort of fixated or obsessed, really, with digital art recently, and, well, I have decided to take the leap and join the Apple world in regards to using Procreate and trying to see what kind of mess and mayhem I can come up with. I thought this little keyboard was pretty neat, though. I don't know if I'm ever really going to use it, but I figured if I was going to get something, might as well get something that's absolutely 100% practical. And of course, the ring light in the background there I got too, and the Paw Patrol table. Not included in today's mail. Anyways, this thing was so bomb. I'm so excited. I got it for a mega deal. I really am only using it for drawing, so watch out.